everyone, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This hair is from the ZRQ store on Amazon and it comes with a crochet hook. The hair also comes with 8 packs of hair for a total of 96 locks. And I call these goddess crochet locks, but the style has different names. The hair color is T350, so a mix of copper and black, and the locks are 24 inches. The hair is soft and doesn't have a bad smell either. The locks are pre-looped and come with 12 in a pack. The curls are also bouncy, but a little frizzy. Some of the locks have 2 curly strands, one at the top of it and one at the bottom, while others have 3 curly strands, one at the top, middle, and bottom of the lock. To begin my hair, I start off by braiding it into individual braids. And first I apply a small amount of Shine and Jam to my roots and work it in. Then I use this coconut curling cream and work it throughout the section of hair I'll be braiding to keep it moisturized. Next, I braid my hair down. And once the braid is complete, I finger curl the end of it. This is how my hair looks after I finish braiding it. It took me about 6 hours to do, and I have about 90 individual braids. I wanted the braids to be small so that they could easily fit into the crochet locks. And to start crocheting my hair, first I grab the lock I'll be using, then I put my pointer finger through the pre-loop to open it up. Next I grab my crochet hook and I make sure it's opened, and then I insert it underneath the start of my braid. After that, I attach the pre-loop onto the hook, close the hook, pull the lock through, remove the crochet hook, open the pre-loop some more using my pointer finger and thumb. Then I grab the braid and lock and pull them through the pre-loop together. I also make sure the knot I just created is tight and secure by pulling on the lock in my braid. Then I grab my crochet hook again and I insert it a few inches down from the start of the lock, and I work my way up through the center of the lock all the way to the top of it. Once at the top, I push my crochet hook through, grab my braid, attach it to the crochet hook, close the hook, and pull my braid through. After that, I twist the lock around my braid to better hide it. And I just complete those steps again until the braid is all the way hidden in the lock. So this is how the hair turned out. I like it. It's cute, pretty big and full as well. And it didn't take me as long to crochet the hair as it did to braid it. It took me 4 hours to crochet the hair, so all in all the style took me about 10 hours to do. And I have about 5 locks left. So I used 91 locks to do this style. I also put some mousse on the curls. And I like the color of the locks as well. They're vibrant. But let me know what you thought of this style and if you'd wear it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy holidays.